Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to I Think I Can Fly RC. I'm Travis Thompson here. Guys, it's the day after Christmas, and I hope everybody out there had a safe and wonderful Christmas. Hope you guys are going to have a safe and wonderful New Year's coming up, guys. I ain't been doing a lot of flying because it's been like negative 15, negative 20 degrees here in Tennessee. We've got some snow. We had some snow, but finally got a day. It's about 15 degrees out here, but we ain't got no wind, so we're going to get this thing at play, I guess, guys. So here we go, here we go. Without further ado, let's get her going, guys. I have to fix my telemetry cable because it's not wanting to work. And I got the bombs on this, or the drop tanks on it, guys, because it helps me a lot. I can see it so much better. It helps with the orientation. It does. So just full speed, guys. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, look at that roll rate, guys. That's crazy. That's low rates, and it's crazy. Yeah, I know it's far away, guys. It's only about my 5th flight on this thing. I'm still trying to get used to it, man. This thing's quick. It's even faster without the drop tanks, man. I just can't hardly see it. Oh, almost hovered it, guys. Sure did. This thing flies different when you're out of the throttle. When you're out of the throttle, the hind end wants to pitch down and the nose wants to pitch up, but once you give it throttle, what it wants to go down. I guess that's just part of I'm guessing, you know. This thing's a blast to fly. If I could just get used to it. Let's go into safe, see what it looks like. Their safe looks pretty good. Come out of the throttle into safe. And it wants to nose up. But I got the battery back quite a ways too, guys, so that could be part of it. Here we go, guys. Full blast, baby. Golly, boom. That's crazy, guys. It is. That is crazy. Alright, guys, one more pass. We're going to bring her in. Golly, it's fading fast, guys. Lord have mercy. Do some rudder. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, we need to bring her in. And my daggone gear ain't coming out. Ain't that wonderful? Daggone it. Well, that sucks, guys. Well, looks like we're gonna have us a nose landing. It'll be interesting. Cycle them one more time. Maybe I can get them come out. Nope. Yep, nose gear would not come out, guys. Huh. Man, I got one coming. It's just been delayed in the mail, so. But anyway, I'm glad I didn't put my new nose cone on it. That's why I left. I got my old nose cone still on there, so. So I just left it on there because of that reason, in case it didn't come down. But wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad. Didn't hurt a thing though. Thank goodness. Anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button. Till we do it again, safe flying, and God bless. Let's just do some gear thing here. Watch it come out now. No. I'll be dang, guys. Look at that. Now it comes out. I just don't understand. Anyway, we got some new one coming, so that's all that matters. But anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button, guys. Sure would appreciate it. Till we do it again, safe flying, and God bless. Bye, bye, bye.